All right, happy Wednesday, y'all. Today's agenda. So, following the same process we've been doing before. Number one, do Outlook question of the day. There are two videos today. First one's more engineering related. Second one's kind of more of a fun video. So, again, answer the questions. We're at double the points today. So, make sure you knock that out. Number two, Solid Professor. Today we were working on annotations. This one should be short, simple, and sweet. It's part of the drawing package in Fusion. So this is like adding dimensions and notes and things like that. And then last but not least, continuing the model rocket project. So a lot of you all are getting pretty close to being done. I had some people working on drawings yesterday, so this should be wrapping up and you should be done by the end of the week. But again, reminder, parts, assembly, and drawings all due by Friday. For the drawing, you should have one part and your full model done. So again, last but not least, stay on track. Deadline is Friday. And for my few who are competing in the in-school CAD competition, that is tomorrow. Have a good day, y'all.